In this video, we are going to configure OSPF multi-area. We discuss and we know about OSPF now. So now let's configure OSPF multi-areas. So I have R1 and R2 which belong to area 0, and R1 is connected to R3 area 1 and R2 is connected to R4 area 2. R1 and R2 are connected 192.168.12.0 and here is connected 13.0 and here we have 24.0. So this is 2. This side is also 2. There is loopback interface is 444 and here loopback interface is 333. So let's go to lab. Okay, let me open R1 and no. Okay, let's go to R2. Nothing is configured. No. Click on R3. No. And let's go to 4 and no. So nothing is configured. We're gonna copy paste. So R1 basic configuration and then R2 and then we're gonna configure R3 and 4. Okay, so let's go to R1. And R1, as we know, basically we have two interfaces, 12.1 and 13.1. Okay, so let me copy this one, 12.1, 13.1, and this is copy, and let's go to R1 and paste. So R1 is done. In the case of R2, also two interfaces, 12.2 and 24.2. So here is, let me copy and paste this configuration and done. In the case of R3, we have basically one loopback interface and one physical. So let me copy and paste the configuration. So R3 is done. And 4 is also similar, one loopback interface and one physical interface connected to 2. So copy and paste, done. So basic configuration of all these routers are done. Okay, now we need to configure multi-area. So we're gonna start from R1. Okay, so R1, one interface is connected to, you can see one interface is connected to R2 and one is connected to R3. One belong to area 0, second belong to area 1. So let's go to router OSPF 1 and network 192.168.12.0, 0.0.0.255 wildcard and area 0. So this one belong to area 0, up arrow, and we're gonna just change this to 13. Okay, and area will be 1. So we are done in OSPF configuration of R1, because R1, this network belong to area 0 and this one belong to area 1. Now let's go to R2. So in R2, exit router OSPF 1 network 192.168.12.0 and area 0.0.0.255 area 0. So this one belong to area 0 and 24, which is down connected to R4. So that one belong to area 2 and we are done in R2 as well. Okay, now let's go to R3. R3 has two interfaces, both belong to area 1. So exit router OSPF 1 network 192.168.13.0 0.0.255 and area 1. Okay, and also 3 belong to area 1. So let me put this one 3.3 and then 3, and I need one more 3. Okay, and I will make them 0 because I just want to advertise. This is 32. So 333 and 0000 and area 1. So correct, both belong to area 1 and we are done in R3 as well. Let's go to R4 router OSPF 1 network 192.168.24.0 and wildcard 0000255 area 2, and we have 4 as well. So let me write down 4.4.4.4 wildcard 0.0.0.0 and area 2, and we are done. So if I say show IP OSPF neighbor, so I have one neighbor which is 24.2, which is R2. Okay, and if I check show IP route OSPF, so I'm receiving 3.3 on the other side of R3 network. So if I try to ping 3.3.3 and source my loop back, so it's pinging and it's working. So I'm reachable from here to here. And if I try from this side, show IP route OSPF, okay, so hopefully from this side I will get those 4.4 network as well. And if I try to ping from here, show IP route OSPF, and here is, so if I try to ping 4.4 and source my loop back 3 either by, so I can ping, and we already discussed what is IA. This is enter area, because this is multiple area. So that's why, so we already know these things. We already know 110, we already know 20 and 30. Next step, all those things we discuss in this lab, just to show you how to configure multi-area. So let me go back if I missed something. I believe that's it. And then you can verify by show IP route OSPF, you can ping, and you will see all those route. That's it. So this is the way to configure multi-area OSPF. Thank you very much.